With these, it'd be almost like the world is yours. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and it's another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home. Now, the Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home is actually a two-tone shoe. This shoe pays homage to the two original Chicago colorways. The Bread Chicago colorway, which was the first colorway that Michael Jordan wore until it got banned. The airship got banned. Like, the Air Jordan 1 band was a big marketing ploy. It was actually the airship. And the Chicago colorway, which was the shoe that he basically wore for the majority of the season. He did wear the black toe a little bit, but we got like 10 different types of black-toed style colorways this year, so I guess that's why it was left off. Now, the shoe originally released in Chicago at a limited run of 2,300 pairs, and now we're getting a much more wide release. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Jordan 1 box, the black and red box with the flip-out top. And the color code is black, university red, and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has the two-toned upper, and all of it is leather. Moving towards the toe, you've got where the split actually happens. It's right down the middle. So you've got the Bread side on the left and the Chicago side on the right. Moving towards the tongue, you got a nylon tongue, and this is a very stiff tongue. Like, it feels like somebody left this in a presser for way too long, and it's very stiff. The nylon side is. The inside is actually much softer, almost like a suede soft, even though I know it's obviously not suede. Also, you have the two-tone tongue tag with the red Nike logo. This shoe has black laces, but it also comes with a set of red laces as well. The insole is black with the white Nike Air logo. Moving towards the heel on the lateral, you got the black leather with the red Nike swoosh and ankle panels, and a black Jordan Jumpman Wings logo. Taking a look at the heel, you also have a kind of a split. So you've got the end of the Bread side and the start of the Chicago side. And the Chicago pair had a lettering on both sides of the ankle panel right here, but the non-numbered pairs, which is the more wider release, do not have anything on here. Also, you got the red and the black tumble leather style ankle collar. The medial is the Chicago side, so you've got the red panels with the black Nike swoosh and the white leather. And funny enough, the leather on both sides feel different. And if I remember correctly, because I haven't owned a pair of Chicagos in quite some time, the quality on both sides is actually the quality of the most recent release. So the Bread side has a softer leather, kind of like the 2016 release, and the Chicago pair has this much tougher leather, kind of like the 2015 release. You have a white rubber midsole with the red outsole. All around, I'm a fan of the colorway. The tongue reminds me strictly of Scarface though, which is really dope actually, and it also reminds me of the Scarface Air Force Ones. I'm just curious as to why my tongue is so stiff. I don't know if this is just my pair or if it's other pairs as well, but the actual Bread side is a softer leather and the Chicago side is a much more tough leather. That's very weird. And like I said, I can't tell if this was done intentionally or if this was just my pair, but if it was, it's an interesting choice. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 19th for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.